What's up guys, Michael here with WarpDriveM. In today's episode we're gonna try to test fit these wheels. These are my old wheels from the E90, the white ones. I'm gonna try to install this on the e39 on the Distroyer, because with this winter wheels and metal wheels is like crap. Yeah, so let's do this. But before that, as you can see, I've cleaned all the car, of course, and underneath here as well the whole car is cleaned. And look how nice and shiny this gear lever is, and I'm gonna show you now how it was. Yep, it was that filthy. I've cleaned all the buttons, everything, the steering wheel commands, everything is cleaned and washed. And now let's test fit those wheels. Change of plan. I'm gonna test fit this wheel in the back, because here the hydraulic lifter doesn't fit, but in there, I don't know if you can see, I have more space, and I've put as well the plate adapter, special made for BMW. Let me show you like this. Here in the back I have more space till the reaching point of the car, and you can see I've put the adapter plate for BMWs. That's enough space in here, but in the front maybe you can see how the yard goes. Yeah, I have more space here. In the front I don't have so much space, but anyway, I just want to test fit these wheels because these are like crap. As you guys saw it, the hub on the wheel is bigger than the center of this alloy, so I have to order new wheels for this car. I don't know if you can tell what's inside underneath the foil. When I drove this car on the Autobahn, I couldn't film it. This Distroyer works like a charm, but it's destroyed the gas. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you. I'm almost home, and I'm gonna show you how much for gas consumption I have. I'm at home, and yeah, check this out. I've put 60 liters inside. This tells you how many liters do you have. 30 liters, 50, and maximum this is like 60 liters. I reset the trip computer and I've done 261 kilometers since then, that time. And check this out. I think I've consumed like 27 liters, so that's like more than 10 liters per 100 kilometers. But yeah, who cares? Because I fucking love this car. So guys, this is the next day. I'm gonna tell you something very crazy. I'm blown away of this situation, because I didn't expect to happen something like this to me, because I'm like a regular guy. I'm not that skilled, I not have so much money. I do this because I like it. I don't do this for money, and I don't do this just for showing off or something like that. Yeah, and what's important that I want to say is that I received a set of wheels for this project. Just hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, like the video and share it with others, and more stuff like this should come to this car. So it's really up to you, because like I've said, I already received the wheels. It's like for free, and I think it was not like cheap wheels, because are like 18 inch wheels with 265 tires in the rear and 255 in the front, something like that. I'm gonna check that, because I didn't unpack. So yeah, it's just up to you. So enough talking, let's see what I've received. Oh, look nice. Look how much for meat they have. This is the interior. Yeah, look, the other one are nice. And I have another one in the trunk that is not covered, and I'm gonna show you that. Ta-da! Let's see what that are like Hankook tires. Ventus V12. Okay. And like, where are the dimensions? Hey. Ah, yeah, here. 245, 45, 18. Okay, so I am gonna see the other ones now. Oh yeah, look at that. I've already found the pair for the other one. So this is a 12 to 45. So this will go in the front, and that means that these ones are the bigger ones. Oh yeah, you can see are all scratched. But man, I'm not complaining. Oh wait. Oh what? So 245 as well. Why the hell I thought that these ones are bigger? So yeah, that means this one is like, oh yeah, 245 as well. Ah yeah, 35. These ones are 245, 35, 18. And these ones are should be like 45. Yeah, 245, 45, 18. And these ones are 245, 35, 35. So the height of the tire, these ones are smaller and these ones are bigger. So yeah, comment in the comment section below which one goes in the back, which one goes in the front. So guys, I think that's about it for today's episode. Join me on the next episode to see how the car looks with the new wheels. And I think it's time to work on the E90 a little bit as well, because I've kind of neglected this car since I bought the project car, but not anymore. So I have something in here for this car, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, see you later.